coffee. That is so good. Oh my god. Wow, I just realized I'm changing my room and I never even filmed a fucking dorm tour. But oh well. Basically, if you have seen the setup of my room, I have my bed right against a window and it is November, meaning it's fucking cold at night. And there's a draft, so I literally feel the cold air coming in my bed. So I took it upon myself to redecorate my room. I need to change where my bed goes. That means I need to change where my desk goes. I haven't really figured anything out. I do have a vision in my head, but I don't even know if it'll work. Today's gonna be like a trial and error day, but it is also going to be the day that I change my room because I cannot dedicate more than one day to this. I told my roommates, I was like, I need to film. I kind of need the room, so I can't do that again. I also got banana bread. You know, before I do this heavy lifting, I need to fuel my body, and this is my breakfast. I figured I would show you how my room is currently set up. This is what it looks like. As you see, like my bed is right in front of the window. This is my closet, drawers, desk, bedside, more drawers. Yeah, this is her. So what I'm thinking of doing is moving the bed this way, moving the desk this way, and like kind of creating like a little cubicle. I don't know, we'll see. I forgot about my corner. There's this like little segment where I just shove everything that doesn't have a place. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to find a spot for these things. I also need to like broom. No! No! My pillow! No! Okay, I saved it. If this doesn't tell you something, I'm gonna tell it for you. Don't bring a lot of shit to college. Just don't do it. Guys, I don't like it. I may have done this all for no reason because I hate it. It's just way too like close, you know what I mean? Fuck. Fuckity fuck fuck. I've literally tried every single way that I can like put my bed somewhere and it just doesn't fucking work. Like, it doesn't work. I thought maybe I could like put my bed here, my desk, and my bedside table, basically the same arrangement, but just switch the spots between my bed and my desk. But then I feel bad for my roommate because like this bed is in the middle of the room and like she's closed in this square and I'm not gonna do that. So what the fuck do I do? Like I literally don't have anywhere to put it. My bed can only rest on this wall, but it can't be on this side because it closes off the room. If it's here, then it just goes back to how it was. If it's this way, then there's nowhere to put my desk. Like, do you see the dilemma? So I put it back to this situation because like this is the only thing that I can do. My roommate didn't answer, so I'm just gonna wait for her to like get back on Monday and then ask her like if it's okay that I moved the desk this way. I mean, I don't even like this setup. I wish I could leave it the way it was, but I have to figure something out, and this is the best that I could come up with. I hope she doesn't, you know, like get mad at me. Now it's time to like clean up. I also think that if I clean it up, it'll look way nicer. It just looks very clustered right now, but that's because shit is everywhere, so let's fix that. Time-lapse time. Now I'm gonna like go through my closet because I want to get rid of some clothes and just, yeah. I like cleaned it up a little bit. Honestly, I think it looks good. It's like cute and cozy. I mean, granted, like it's not gonna look exactly how I want it because it's a fucking like dorm. Like I can't have these high expectations. Oh my god, dorm tour! Here I have my closet. This is like the only space that NYU provides, which is quite small. Up there I have like all my bags. Those are like hoodies and sweatpants. I have some shoes down there. So in this pink box, I have like stuff that needs to go on Depop. So this is like my Depop bag. And then here is the food section of our dorm. Granted, it's all my stuff. But yeah, we have a printer, a mini fridge. There's not that much in our fridge. That's trash. Ignore. I put some of my shoes over here. I thought this would be like a good way to make space. I hung my like heeled booties, and then those are some sneakers. My laundry basket. I have this white furry rug. This is the bed. This blanket is also a gift from Microsoft. It's so freaking soft and comfortable. Gonna get great use out of this. I have 2 white pillows and a pink one. Those are from LA. Those 2 posters are from the Trading Post back in LA. And my sister had gotten them and I just kind of stole them from her. LOL. Here's my desk. Well, actually, I have my Rare Beauty tote bag. This is what I use for school because there's like extra padding and it protects my like laptop. And yeah, she's a cutie. We like her. This is probably my least favorite part because I have to do all the homework and writing here. I keep my makeup over here. This is just like what I use every single day. The acrylic set is from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I have a photo of my mother. This is where I keep my perfumes and hair oil. These 2 perfumes are what I've been using for the past couple of days and I love them so much. Whichever one I wear, I get so many compliments on. So shout out to Mueller and shout out to Anima Vinci. I have my Gizu hair oil here. I have to keep it in this tray because it kind of leaks. So I just don't want it to get like oil all around my desk. And then we have a spoon. Great. Up here I have a couple books and this cute little candle. I have some Polaroids of my family. And then over here is like my mini skincare. Q-tips, makeup remover, body lotion, moisturizer, hyaluronic acid, cotton pads. And then over here is where I keep my like film cameras. I have this cute little angel candle that Arja got for my birthday that I just like to keep there. And then I have this lavender sage like oil or like scent. I don't even know. It's just cute. I put it there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this mirror and evil eye over here, but for now, since there was already a hook, I just put it there. I have my mask and keys, an umbrella back there. Both of these are from Amazon. This is like what I do my makeup with, and then this is my light. I really like it because I can keep my pens there and I keep my blue light glasses over there. I'll keep these linked down below in case you need to get them for your dorm. I have my curling iron, and then this is the junk corner, or at least one of the junk corners. I keep my vitamins, stuff I need to return, extra like Kleenex, laundry detergent, wonderful. I have a mirror over here. I don't know where to put it. I think I need to like put it over there, but I just need to get nails and a hammer, although I'm not allowed to do that, so don't know how that's gonna work out. This is like a drawer. I keep like utensils, receipts, hole puncher, planner, notebooks, anything you can think of, it's in there. And then this is like pens and glue, lead, tape, you know, that junk. This is like my snack drawer. I have the cookies from Microsoft and then some like tortilla chips, dried figs, I don't even know, it's food. If you live in like a cold state, or you're just a person who gets cold, or if you're just anyone, basically, get a fucking heating pad. It is the best thing that's ever happened to me. It is the best purchase I've ever made. They sell them on Amazon for like 25 bucks, and I got this one, and I literally move it everywhere I sit, and I can put it on like my back and on my stomach, and I love it. It's great. Seriously, best thing of my entire life. So glad I made that choice. And then we have my bedside table. This is from Amazon as well. Wow, it looks like Amazon's sponsoring this video, even though they really aren't. Oh my god, guess where this fucking jewelry holder is from? Also Amazon. I keep all my jewelry over here, just some body lotion. This is my safety scent. It's from Fresh, and last week I had like this meeting with a perfumist or like a perfume specialist, and I was telling her how this perfume by Fresh, the cannabis perfume, really like calms me down, which is why I named it my safety scent. Like it literally grounds me and just like calms down my anxiety. And I was like, I don't know if this is placebo, but like I call it my safety scent because it genuinely just makes me feel so much better. And then she was explaining to me how in the process of turning cannabis into a scent, there's like this certain molecule release that is like aromatherapy, which is why you feel so much more relaxed when you like spray cannabis. And I was like, holy shit, like, okay, so there's a scientific explanation for this. It's not just me making shit up in my head. And she was like, yeah, no, like this is a real thing. And I was like, okay, damn. And so that explains why I considered that my safety scent. If you have anxiety or you just get overwhelmed a lot at times, I would really recommend getting like a cannabis scent, because I mean, you're not like getting high, but you just feel better because it smells good. And the smell is also very addicting. Like, I will spray it on my arm and I will smell it the entire day, partly because like I want to feel more calm, but also it just smells really good. I keep some earrings over here, just my everyday rings and like jewelry, my water bottle, my lamp, not my lamp, bro, what? My clock. I actually really like this because I can like make it LED. Wow. My plugs. Again, I put like blankets over here so that it could like kind of protect me from the window. My Kleenex. This is where I keep my makeup. I managed to fit all my makeup that I like actually wear in one single drawer, which I'm so proud of. And then here is where like I keep my extra skincare. This is like my technology drawer. I have like cords, charging cases, like cameras, tripods, film. This is like kind of accessory drawer. I have like playing cards, sunglasses, extra jewelry, and like safety pins, flashlight. I don't even know, just random ass shit. This is also another random drawer. We have like beauty blenders, perfume, hand sanitizer, nail polish, KT tape, a blood pressure measurer, pimple patches, just random stuff again. Guess what? More random stuff like games, extra whiteout, command strips. I got these storage units from Bed Bath & Beyond. Really recommend them. They're great. Up here, I keep like masks and the notebooks that I use for class. And then in this drawer, we got extra products, hair products, contacts, emergency, towels, dry shampoo. Again, very random. This is, I'm kind of embarrassed to show this. This is, again, more skincare, more products. Yeah. This is embarrassing. This is like my sick spot though. Whenever I'm sick, I have all the medication I need in here. Cough drops, body butter. Oh my god, this is the best fucking body lotion in the world. It smells great. Nail polish remover, travel size stuff. You know, just the usual shit. I keep ankle socks, thick socks, undershirts, cool, bras, underwears, pajamas. Over here, we have jeans, all my jeans. Over here, we have bras and sportswear, even though I never touch that part of the drawer. Shirts, shoes, hats, more shirts. What's over here? More pants, winter clothes, skirts. Yeah, that's pretty much the room. Ta-da! Let me show you the view, the wonderful view. It's like really nice sunset time right now. I forgot to mention I have these like dangling crystal balls and they reflect. Like when the sun hits, they reflect off them and then it creates like rainbows all around my wall, which is so nice. My mom actually hand makes these. She sells them on a website called Love by Aura. I'll link it, but there's a mini one over there. I think this is meant for your like car, but oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like makeover session. It was honestly fun. Like I like the way it turned out, but I'm very tired. Like that took a lot of energy, both physical and mental. Okay, time to go. Love you. Bye.